Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia. Now in today's video, I'm going to quickly share with you my 1 month update with the rice water rinse. I've been doing this for the past month now, and I've done this twice so far. So every wash day, which is every other week. So I've done the rice water as a conditioner. I would drench my hair with the rice water and make sure all my strands and even my scalp is massaged with it, and then cover it with a plastic bag and then let it sit in my hair for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I would rinse it out. I have a video out already on how I make my rice water and what I do on wash day. Check out my description box below, or I'll leave it up here somewhere so you can refer to that video. Now before we proceed, I've decided to share my lippy with you guys every video that I have a popping lip, because I did get a lot of questions in my past couple of videos about what I've been wearing on my lips. Today's lippy is from Colored Rain in the color Amazing Rain. It's a liquid matte lippy, and I just topped it off with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb on top. So yeah, like every other comment was like, yeah, well, what's on your lips? What's on your lips? So I've decided from now on, I'm just gonna do that so that you guys know you can pick it up or find a dupe for whatever lippy that I'm wearing. And I'll also leave these in the description box. Now back to this update, y'all. My hair has been absolutely loving the rice water rinse. It's never been stronger, and I can't make this up. I'm gonna show you guys some clips in a few. It has never been stronger than it is right now. And when I detangle my hair and when I comb my hair with a comb or even with my fingers, I am not getting as much shedding as I used to get before. This is not a game, y'all. My hair has gotten much more thicker. I mentioned in my previous video, I don't really care much for length. I'm doing this challenge because I want my hair to become thicker. So what I did was I air dried my hair 80%, and then I went in with a blow dryer and blow dried the rest of it. It could be dry. I'm afraid of heat damage, y'all, and I blow dry my hair on cool setting. I only did this so I could do a length comparison for you guys, so you guys can see the growth that I've got. All right, so the back grew a little bit, and it's now at armpit length. So I do think it did grow a little bit compared to when I first started, and you can see the comparison there. And then the sides, I was shocked to see that it did grow, I think about half an inch or an inch. It's at collarbone now for the size, and before it was like more to my neck. Okay, and then the front, I also did length check. The front part of my hair stayed the same about, yeah, it stayed about the same. And then I'm just showing you the middle. I didn't do that before, but this is what the middle of my hair, the length that I got. And look at the back of my hair, y'all. It's much thicker than before. I'm not making this up. I know my hair, and I was just kind of like, yo, this is not a gimmick. It really actually works, y'all. And I'm excited here. I have seen other videos with girls, and they're getting like inches and inches in like a week or two. That's not my experience, but I am happy with the way my hair is progressing, and I do like to give myself and my hair time. As I previously stated in my first rice water video, I like to give my hair time to flourish. Okay, I'm not gonna put pressure on it to grow and grow inches and inches. That's not the goal. The goal for me is healthy hair and thicker hair, and I have experienced that. And not that my hair was excessively shedding before, but I'm like not getting any shedding at all. I don't know if you guys, let me tell you, no shedding. I'm just like, wait, is this even normal? Why is my hair not shedding? I'm so used to my hair not shedding that when it doesn't shed, I'm like, wait, is something, what's going on? No, so this thing is real, y'all. It's real. It is. It's not a game. It's not a gimmick. Like, this is real life. I'm just kind of like shook, you know what I mean? And for today's hair, this is a Bantu knot out. This is my second day, day 2 Bantu knot out. If you guys want me to do an updated video on how I do my Bantu knots, let me know, because I'm loving the way it looks, especially with my hair being a lot fuller and thicker. So I'm like, yeah, I'm living right now, y'all. And what else can I say about the rice water? My hair's a little bit more manageable. I'm not sure if that's the case for a lot of other people who've used this rice water. When I say manageable, meaning it doesn't get as tangled as it used to get. And I don't know why not. Maybe it's because I can't even tell you if it's the rice water or maybe the products that I'm using, but my hair is a lot more manageable. It has to be the rice water because I always kind of use the same type of products. Yeah, a lot more manageable. It's not getting as tangled. It's not as rough. Can I say rough? Yeah, not, you know what I mean when I say rough, right? Like, it's not as like, it actually works with me, like, So to answer your questions, y'all, does the rice water work? Absolutely. Does it work as fast as other people or what you see with the, I'm not sure about that. It'll take me time. I'm gonna keep monitoring my hair growth, the length, and also the thickness. And I'm only monitoring the length because I want to keep you guys updated, but length is not the goal for me. I'll probably go and cut it if it gets too long because I kind of like, you know, whatever. Will I continue using rice water? Absolutely. I will continue using this in my regimen for my wash days every other week. Would I recommend the rice water to everyone else? Absolutely. Absolutely. You might even get better results than I'm getting. So give it a shot. If you guys haven't given it a shot yet, I would recommend that you just give it a shot at least for a good 2 to 3 months. And there are some people who are impatient and they'll use the rice water maybe twice for 1 month and be like, oh, I don't see any progress in my hair, it doesn't work. I would recommend you give it at least 3 months, you know what I mean, to start actually showing results, especially if you have a slower growth rate for your hair, if your hair doesn't grow as quickly as others, you know what I mean. I'd say give it at least 3 months to give it a shot to see if it works for you. Now, if your hair is falling out, you know, after the 1 or 2 uses, if your hair is falling out, then no, you know, you should discontinue using it altogether. But yeah, if your hair's not falling out and you're just not seeing any progress, I'd say keep using it. Give yourself some time, 3 months. Make sure your hair is moisturized. Now, don't just use the rice water and let your hair sit and think that you don't have to moisturize it and it's gonna, no, you still have to take care of your hair. You still have to apply moisture and seal it with oil or whatever, Blue Magic, use your hair grease. Make sure your hair is moisturized while using the rice water. You have to take care of your hair. So I can't say when people say, oh no, something doesn't work for me, but then I'm like, okay, have you been taking care of your hair? Is your hair moisturized? Do you wrap it up at night? Are you sleeping on a satin pillowcase or a silk pillowcase or a silk bonnet or something? What are you doing to care for your hair? Everything matters. It's not just the rice water that's gonna give you this miraculous. No, everything put together, everything matters. Are you deep conditioning when you wash your hair? Are you keeping your scalp clean, etc.? All right, so make sure you keep up with your hair regimen and then add the rice water on top of that to give you that extra oomph, you know what I mean? And if you can't wait for my monthly rice water updates, follow me on Instagram, especially because I am posting like weekly updates. I do daily hair updates and makeup, etc., so that you can see what's going on with my hair and my makeup and my life, etc. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at Waldia Vines. I'll leave it on the screen, also down in my description box. Snapchat as well, and all of my other social media will be listed in my description box. So yeah guys, let me know if you've already used the rice water, how long did it take for you to actually start seeing results and start seeing growth, or if your hair broke, what advice can you give? And I encourage everyone to read the comment section just to learn, not just from me, but from other people and their experiences. You guys have been bomb with sharing your testimonials and also sharing whatever experiences you do have the rice water, and I'm just asking that you please continue to do that. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will have more updates for you and more hair videos for you, and also a couple of makeup looks coming out because you guys have been asking, so I have to share. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.